pride.
I'm Dudes, serving as EMT for almost 13 years in the service. The most nga nakatatak sa kuha is yung sa may bangkal na fire incident, which is out of the box yung protocol ko kasi dapat kasi wala ako doon sa field of execution kasi I am in the ambulance unit. But seems kulang yung tao and I have no other choice. I am helping for the execution. So inakyat ko yung at the top of the parking bay, no, na sa likuran banda, inakyat ko tsaka na-extricate ko yung 5 pasyente na totally nasa mga second and third degree burn patients, including yung buntis tsaka yung baby. And we are here for how many years serving the Baweños as not only we are work as part of our yung ano lang ba, yung sa pangsahod, daily salary. No, we are here for the passion. So yung tulong namin sa tao, sa lahat ng Baweño, is came from the heart.
I'm Jeffrey Lapinya,